Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here making a quick video showing you how to write the computer program to power and control your motor for your surgical hand project. So first of all, you're going to go to makecode.microbit.org, the program we've been using to write code for the microbit. All right. Then you're going to go to new project and you're going to name it, I don't know, motor control or motor for surgical hand, whatever, and you're going to make a new project. Now, here's where you're going to do something different, okay? You are going to go to the upper right corner and you are going to click extensions and you are going to search for continuous servo. All right, continuous servo. That is the type of motor that you have to power your mechanical hand. And unfortunately, Microbit did not come with the software to program it built in. So we have to download it. So we are going to download continuous servo. All right. Now, when you install it, you should see now appearing among your list of functions down here continuous servo with many codes like spin one way, all right, or spin other way. I believe this is clockwise and counterclockwise. Or spin one way with a specific speed, or spin other way with a specific speed. All right, and that speed range goes from 0 to 100. All right, I don't know what happens at 100. All right. So, anyways, what I've done is I have made a little code here to show you one way to control your motor. All right, the simplest possible way. And so let's see here. I'm going to get rid of some of the garbage. Just a little happy LED face. By the way, you want to, when you write a program on start, maybe show a little LED face just to let you know that the program is actually functioning. And so listen, this is the easiest way to control your motor using the buttons on the microbit. Using the input, you will go on button A is pressed, spin one way. Now, the thing is, when you press the A button and get the motor to spin one way, it will spin forever. It will not stop. This does not turn on while you're holding the A button. This turns on when the A button is pressed. So you have to input in your code some way to tell the microbit to stop the motor. And so what you can do is when A button is pressed, spin one way for 1/5 of a second. And you can change this. These are milliseconds. You can change it to 1/10 of a second or 1 second. All right. But I think a tenth of a second or 1/5 of a second is good. Then tell it to turn off the motor. And so what this will do is every time you press A, it'll spin the motor a little bit in one direction. And when you press B, it'll spin it a little way in the other direction. Is that more annoying than just being able to hold A and have it move and then let go and have it stop? Yes, yes, it is. And if you want to be extra, then you can install some new input circuitry on the breakout board that will allow you to have that kind of control. But this is the absolute simplest control that will allow you to control your motor. Now, don't hook up the motor until you have my specific supervision to do so, because hooking up the motor, actually plugging it in and powering it, if done incorrectly, will destroy the motor. We've had a lot of issues with other classes with the motors getting destroyed. So, by all means, set up this code and get it ready to run, but do not hook up your motor and start testing it until you have my supervision. All right. Thank you guys. Good luck.